Our next function is cell. Believe me, this is a very important and powerful function. Cell function returns information about address of a cell, its column number, color, contents, file name, format, parenthesis, prefix, its protection value, row, type, and width. Out of all these options, I have used most commonly I have used address, call, which is reference for the column, file name, and the row number. I use these frequently. Let's see how this function works. So I would say is equal to cell and let's say address. Without the option part, it gives Excel tells me where the cursor is right now. So this is a merge cell. The first cell on the left top is E3. So this is E3 and the result is E3. Okay, what if I say the last one is optional argument reference and I say A1. So I refer to this cell and the answer would be A1. So cell function is not restricted to the current cell, but you can refer to any cell. When I say any cell, what will happen if I say, let's say I will go to sheet 6 and refer to cell sheet 6E2. So the answer would be something like this. Okay, uh, let me merge them. Yeah, so this is the answer, which is first the file name, then the sheet, and then the cell reference. The complete address is result of this function. What if I do not refer this within this sheet? I refer to some other workbook. For example, this is my other workbook, which is temporary file. So I link it here, enter, and you can see, so this is the complete address. File name, the other file. This is not the file I'm working on, workbook I'm working on, then sheet, and then the cell reference. So this is one set of information. What about if I say, instead of address, I say call without changing the reference? The answer is 6. So if I get rid of every this optional reference and I say column, give me column number. So this refers to 5, which is A, B, C, D, and E. So this is the fifth column. The result is 5, and likewise row works. And how about file name only? So which is also again I used very commonly. Cell and file name tab, bracket close, enter. So this gives me complete address. You see, look at this. And let me merge and center and wrap text. Okay. Okay, something went wrong. So here it is. The drive and then whole range of everything and then the sheet too. So this will not show the cell reference, but the whole path of the directory and the workbook. So this is how you, when I train people, I tell them to try to understand how Excel thinks. So this is how Excel thinks. When we when we want to know where is my cursor, I look at this address section. I know that E3, currently my cursor is let's say D3. But when Excel comes to know from its functions. So the function is cell, and with address you come to know where the cursor is. And likewise, so all these functions help you out in understanding how Excel think or how you can make Excel think. So this is very helpful, and I recommend everyone to practice this and understand how this function works.